Alright, so let's talk about data analysis. And the biggest thing in data analysis is data cleaning. Recently I had a problem where I needed to clean up certain numbers in order to compare them to another file. And I want to take a few minutes to explore 3 different options where you can complete this data cleaning process. So I had the number where it came into the system that I was working with commas, and I was tasked to clean that. So I'm going to show you how to do it in Google Sheets, Python, and SQL. And Google Sheets, you can do it 2 ways. You can use a replace function where I'm just going through and having multiple replace functions inside of each other, and it gives me this output. Another option, a quick option if you didn't want to write a function, is doing Control H and removing those commas. So those are 2 options in Google Sheets. So now let's jump to SQL. So let's say, for instance, it's a database that you're working with for a table, and the table has that number formatted this way. One method you could do is do a replace. Well, this one I have to cast it into a varchar, then I did a replace, and here is the clean version of the new number. And now let's talk about the last option, which is my favorite that I like working in now, is Jupyter Notebook. So to do this, I'm going to use pandas. Import pandas as PD. Now I'm going to create a new data frame and do pd.read underscore CSV, and I'm going to show you a little trick here. So let me show you how the file looks. And my goal here is to complete this within 2 minutes. So this is the file. I'm going to cheat a little bit here, copy that file name so I don't have to type it all the way out and make any typos. So this is how the file looks. So we can close that. And remember your CSV, because it was a CSV file. And now let's look at the data frame. So if you see here, the numbers, how they were brought up, they're split by the commas. So to fix that, read CSV has this delimiter. Oops, excuse me. So delimiter, typo here, let me try again. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to say delimit by space. And let's run the head, and here we have it in. Now we get this warning. We can fix this easily by coming in here, and let's read the warning, see what it says. Okay, engine does not support regex. You can avoid this warning by specifying engine equals Python. So let's go ahead and do what the warning says. Come in here, engine equal Python, run it again. Good, we don't get no errors. Come here, data frame head. Now to go ahead and do this, what I'll do is use the data frame. Data frame dot whoops, going too fast. Number, and here I'm using my shortcut key, number. I hit tab just to get it to populate number. I'm gonna do a string, and I'm gonna do a replace. And then what am I gonna replace? I want to replace the commas, and I want to replace them with an empty space. Run this, and here you have it. So 3 different ways you can quickly clean up a phone number. And what you would do, you just save this to a new column in the same data frame, or create a new data frame with that new number. So again, 3 simple ways to clean up some numbers, and have a good day.